Amit Traveler, and today I am at the base village from where we are going to start the trek to Kataldhar Waterfall. And this particular place, it's at a distance of approximately 9 to 10 kilometers from Lonavla station. And he is the best guide and the best technical person that you will ever find, let it be any activity. So he is Mr. Mandar Bhai, I call him. If you are planning for a trek to Kataldhar waterfall, make sure that you hire a local guide from the base village, because the path is very messy and you may get lost. So it is always better to hire a guide. You can reach me anytime and I can provide you with some local contacts who will be able to give you a guidance to the waterfall. The trek to Kataldhar starts from the Fanasrai Village, and that is the only route to reach the Kataldhar waterfall. Kataldhar waterfall trek distance is approximately 9 kilometers from the base village. And this is a medium to difficult grade of trek. पांडे जी पीछे आओ ना, इधर आओ ना वो नागिन है, नाग के लिए आ रहा है. I'm standing at the top of Kataldhar waterfall, and this is the point from where we are going to have the rappelling start. There is an awesome view in the background, and due to heavy rainfall we have very good water flow here. the hidden gem of Lonavla. One of the best waterfalls that I have ever seen. This Kataldhar waterfall and the Pune waterfall are the two waterfalls which feed the Ulhas river, which further flows till Thane and joins the Vasai Creek. So in order to reach this particular place to the summit point of Kataldhar waterfall, one has to go through some dense forest and slippery route. Waterfall is visible from the Shirvardhan Fort. It does look like in the form of a thin coverlet, and so it is called as the Dhar, where Dhar means the sharpness. The people in the Sahyadris say that the Katal stands for some kind of rock, and the Dhar, which stands for sharpness, which is basically because of the sharpness of this waterfall, and hence the name has been given as Kataldhar. The Kataldhar waterfall is at a height of 350 feet, and I have just rappelled throughout this waterfall, and it was an awesome experience. And one can also start just a small trek of 1.5 hours to reach this particular waterfall, have a beautiful scenic view and enjoy the movement. If you are interested in going through the waterfall rappelling, then you can surely join some of the famous groups like explorers who help you to rappel throughout the waterfall, which I have done just now. A seasonal waterfall, and it's only during the monsoon seasons that you'll see a heavy water flow, and if there is no rain for a week or more than 1 week, then this waterfall completely dries down.